There you go guys. Para sa current affairs ng Pilipinas, is still the ex-president PRRD, well, that they brought him to The Hague, to the Netherlands, sa ICC or the International Criminal Court, right, to face the persecution and to receive the execution regarding on what happened of killing in the Philippines, na talaga namang napakataas nung total number ng namatay, 'di ba? And it's really, even you are a president and inorderan mo yung police mo that if you're going to shoot them dead. Alam ng police yung kanilang trabaho, protocols, and kung kailan sila mag-shoot dead. As I know, as much as you can, hanggat hindi naman niya naglaban, and deadly yung laban niya, tapos yung may guns din siya and firearms. So that's the thing, na kahit i-shoot lang yan sa leg, 'di ba? Hindi naman sila basta-basta mag-shoot dead until na nanlaban, naging violent yung tao.